Hello everybody, and welcome back to Sip and App. If you've ever looked at your scraps of veggies left in your fridge and wondered what to do with them, this recipe is for you. These vegetable croquettes will turn those awkward odds and ends into something that's not just edible, but guest-worthy. It's not really a recipe as much as it is a method, one that's flexible, crowd-pleasing, and since it's completely plant-based, it's perfect if you're feeding a lot of people with different dietary needs. So gather your vegetable scraps in your fridge and let me show you how to make these golden crispy bites. We're going to start by prepping the vegetables. Today I'm using what I happen to have in my fridge, but honestly you can use whatever odds and ends you've got. Just make sure they're chopped small or shredded, and if they're watery like zucchini or eggplant, sprinkle a little bit of salt on them and squeeze out as much moisture as you can. Next, we'll saute the vegetables briefly in a pan with a little bit of oil just to soften them and bring out their flavor. Cook until the veggies are tender and most of the moisture has cooked off, as we don't want a soggy croquette. This should take about 7 to 10 minutes on medium-high heat. Set the mixture aside to cool. In the meantime, let's prepare the base of our croquettes. I'm using these small potatoes that I boiled until fork tender, plus 1 can of chickpeas drained and rinsed. Mash them together until mostly smooth and add the cooled vegetable mixture. We're going to season it with salt, garlic powder, and some cumin. But again, you can add any spices or herbs that you happen to have in your pantry. Mix everything together and shape the mixture into small patties or balls, whatever you prefer. I like making them small enough for appetizers, of course, but you could absolutely go bigger and serve these as a main course with a salad. Now let's talk coating. You can absolutely use the traditional breading method of dipping the croquettes into the flour, beaten eggs, and breadcrumbs. But today I'm showing you the plant-based version by first mixing a simple batter with chickpea flour, all-purpose flour, and soy milk. This eggless method actually reduces the coating process from 3 steps to 2, so sometimes I prefer it this way. After you finish coating all the patties, heat up about half a cup of oil in a pan. You don't need to deep fry these, just enough oil to come halfway up the croquettes is perfect. Fry until both sides are golden and crisp, about 2 minutes on each side. Remember, everything is already cooked, so you don't need to worry about undercooking them. Then transfer to a wire rack or paper towel lined plate to drain. These croquettes are such a great way to reduce food waste, get your veggies in, and enjoy something that feels a little indulgent but is actually packed with nutrients. Serve these hot with your favorite dipping sauce like sriracha mayo, sweet chili sauce, honey mustard, or simply ketchup. Make a double batch, freeze some for later, and let yourself get creative with the mix-ins. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments what kind of veggie combo you used. And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend who loves a good pantry clean-out meal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.